Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today we'll talk about dog flowers. These are called dog flowers in India, and otherwise common name is snapdragons, and these snapdragons botanical name is Antirrhinum majus, and it is a tubular lobed flowers which look like dog's face, and they are native to rocky areas of Europe, United States, and North Africa. They come in three categories, or you can say they come in three sizes, which are dwarf, intermediate, and tall ones. And they range from 1 to 3 feet tall. They are hardy in zones 7 to 10, and they are beautiful flower spikes which rise above the leaves, and they are young flowers now. Gradually these spikes grow into big inflorescence on a stalk, and they look beautiful. Sowing temperature is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and they bloom constantly in the spring, late winters, and early summers. They come in range of colors: pink, yellow, orange, white, purple, magenta, and white bicolor. I am showing you all the colors. Only orange color is I don't have. And they like sunny to semi shady areas. Morning sun they like, or the evening sun. They like well drained soil, and they are short lived and often grown as annuals in India. Deadheading snapdragons by cutting the faded blooms is very necessary to make the flowers bloom constantly. And when the flower spikes grow and this start to fade, then the full spike is to be deadheaded. And if the plant is drooping, then loosen the tightly packed soil with a pencil or anything like pencil to about 2 to 3 inches under the surface. When the soil is aerated, the roots will develop fast, and your plant will be more healthy and show more blooms. They are similar to angelonia flowers, which are called summer snapdragons. These angelonia plants are hardy in 9 to 11 zone, and this is hardy in 7 to 10 zone. And these flowers are in beautiful long flower spikes rising above the leaves. They look beautiful. They are young now, and gradually this spike will grow up, and then this will stand upright above the leaves. Then they will look more beautiful. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel.